You search how to buy shares of Reto Eco-solutions Inc. This quick guide shows the process. Reto Eco-solutions Inc. develops sustainable waste and clean energy technologies. Trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RETO, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy Reto, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RETO to find the company listing. Make sure you select Reto Eco-solutions Inc. from the search results to open the correct page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and a price chart to confirm the listing. Double-check the exchange and the Reto ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your open position will appear in your portfolio once the order completes. For the example link and more details, see the description below.